She's our guide. Just get off the leaves, pound them, squeeze them in hot water to get a thick sap. Yeah. Then after a cup, an equivalent to maybe half a liter in the morning and in the evening for 3 days, you are off malaria.
So when they have got ready, they remove and they heap it together. Then they squeeze, removing the juice with the spear grass. Then after removing it, they put the yeast which they have got from sorghum. Then they put the size which rhyme with the size of the bananas they have put there. Then 1-2 days when it is ready to drink. And when you drink, you get drunk. And there is another way of making it to distill to the warege from this local brew. Then you get a strong warege which is called kasese kasese. This is very strong, of around 100% alcoholic and tough. So these are the container for making that local brew. So when they're making the first, remove this thing, they clean it nicely, they wash it nicely. After washing it, then they start squeezing in, mixing, using with the spear grass. Then they move the residue. After removing the residue, then they put the yeast.
Where we can demonstrate all the domestic work and prepare food, do all these kind of things where the clients can come and share with them. For instance, you can come and see. This is their small garden of beans. They have matoke, they have popo, they have avocado. The goats just here. The chicken. This is a house for the goats and chicken. This is their kitchen where they prepare food. This is how they dry their cassava to make cassava flour. This is where they rinse the saucepans and plates that they need to use for cooking and serving people. This is the shower. With the dog resting in the shower. It's typical of an African village. 2 women, children, all this.
Goats.
Goats.
And the way how they keep their work in the group. Then when they have done the work of this one today, tomorrow they go and do for another friend. So they say that work like that. So nice. In a few days they have completed their work. Rather than somebody working alone in his own garden. Yes.
It takes longer. So they come as a group.
Yeah.
They help one person, tomorrow they go to another person.
Hello.